Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the calendar data out of Apple's ecosystem on a Mac or iCloud. Open Calendar and either export the calendar as an IX or create a public iCloud calendar link. Once done, copy that link or download the IX file to your PC or phone storage. You need this file or link to import into Android-compatible apps. Make sure it's the specific calendar you want, not a combined view. Now move to your Android device for import. Next, bring the Apple Calendar into Google Calendar, which syncs cleanly with Android. If you have an IX file, sign into Google Calendar on a browser, go to Settings, Import and Export, choose the file and pick the destination calendar. If you copied an iCloud public URL, use Add by URL and paste it. Google will subscribe to updates if the link supports it. You do this because Android apps read Google Calendars natively, so the events become visible on your. Finally, make sure your Android device shows the imported calendar. On your phone, add the same Google account if not present, then enable Calendar Sync in Account Settings. Open the Calendar app, swipe to refresh, and enable the specific calendar under Visible Calendars. If events don't appear, make sure Sync is on and try re-importing the IX or re-adding the iCloud URL, sometimes public link permissions or Google's cache delay updates. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves most missing event issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.